Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Sushiswap bulls that are undergoing another rejection. Too many, as a slide below $1 could be next. But before we dive deeper into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency space. I would like to start with the weekly chart. Let's have a look at that on Shiba Inu. Overall, for this week, very volatile week. As you can see, we've already had roughly 10% to the downside and a 5% to the downside from the opening price of Monday. And we are actually dead on that opening price, roughly 30 cents, 0.30% higher. So that's nearly nothing. But what is a bit distressing is we've already had last week this 200-day triggering a sort of a rejection, and we are seeing that again now, and it's even more worse is the fact that we didn't even reach all the way up to that 55 moving average. So this could start to form an issue. What would normally happen is that we would then see either a break to the downside below this low test of last week, or that we see a weekly close above the 55. If we get that, then we can start attacking the green ascending trend line and get back in this more broader formation that we have here with the longer term trend line and the green one we marked up since the beginning of January. So what would that mean for the price action for next week? Let's say if we are able to break above, then possibly we could get an 8 to max 25% upward gain. Certainly with the green, once that breaks to the upside, expect a massive wave of bulls coming in and demand side exploding with bids. To the downside, of course, expect to see maybe not a full test all the way down, but possibly a test of last week's low. So 23% could be in the cards there if the turmoil of the current chain of events continues. So we had Silvergate, we had New York Signature Bank, then we had the Silicon Valley Bank, now Credit Suisse, which is a rather bigger monumental bank in comparison to SVB and Silvergate. So be very careful. Should that fail, then we might have a bigger issue in our hands. But for now, that way or that way, let's see what market gives, but it could be proven to be a pivotal week going forward. Keep that in mind. And that's it for Sushiswap for today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street.